Why can't I change my birthday on Snapchat? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can fix if you cannot change your birthday on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say you open the Snapchat app, you tap the profile icon here, you tap the gear icon, you go to birthday, you want to change your birthday, but you're not being able to change it. Now the first reason this happens is because you've already changed it to a limited number of time. Now Snapchat does not give you the exact number of time how much you can change your birthday, but it will just tell you you've already maxed out the amount of times you can change the Snapchat birthday, and now you will no longer be able to change it. Now if that is the case, there's nothing you can do because this fault is from Snapchat. They don't allow you to change it for more than a couple of period of times. As you can see also here, it says you can only change it a limited number of times, and if you've already crossed that limit, Snapchat will think that this account is suspicious, so that is why they will not allow you to change it. The other reason why this happens is that whenever you had created your account, maybe you created an account that was under the age of 13 or maybe under 16. If that happens, Snapchat will not allow you to change the birthday by yourself. So the only way I can suggest you is just simply wait until you turn over 16 years of age. Maybe your account is over 16 or 18 years of age, and only then you will be able to change the birthday. Otherwise you can just delete your account and then create a new account, because this is the only reason why Snapchat will not let you change it. That is because one of two reasons: whether you're underage on a Snapchat account, or if you've changed it for a couple of times already. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.